Waterfalls are nature's radiant smiles, cascading down rocky slopes, painting a breathtaking tapestry of beauty.
Join us, explore these wonders, traveling for a stunning experience.
Welcome to Siblings to Smile.
We all know that hill country is the best place to visit and enjoy nature. But in nature, waterfalls are the biggest part, right? Today we are gonna explore Dunhinda Waterfall and let you know the awesome experience. Let's go and explore.
Hey friends, it's no joke. It's a freaking 1.5 kilometer hike. There are ups, downs, and even walking, so it's really hard. I guess it will be worth it. Yeah. We are fasting for two times. Like the dinner, we didn't have a dinner, we didn't have a breakfast. Now, I guess it's gonna be lunchtime too. So it's basically 3.
After this very tiresome hike, I really hear the waterfall sound, so I'm very excited to see it after a very freaking hiking. So let's go and find it if it's a beautiful waterfall.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
After a long journey, finally we have reached.
Woo! But there's a little bit distance to see the full view of the waterfall.
There are 14 more steps to go down. Like we did it. Woo! Let's go.
Magical place where water sings and dances? Well, that's Dunhinda Waterfall in Uva. It's a nature's own ballet.
This waterfall behind me is sourced by the Badhulla, which flows through the Badhulla city. So, if you ask me what's the best time to visit here, even I'm here in the December month, it's very cold, so you couldn't enjoy the waterfall. So you could come in the months of June and July and you could enjoy it full and fully. Explorers. So there is one waterfall which is a massive one and everyone sees about this. But there are still some other waterfalls running down here created by this Dunhinda Waterfall. And this is the same, you could use this phenomena with your life too. If there's only one beautiful story of your life, if there's one beautiful thing which you are interested, but still there are many ways to go which some people comes and care about you, like me, okay?
As we wrap up our journey in Dunhinda Waterfall,
don't forget to join our exploration squad, and until the next video, stay curious
and keep exploring. This is Advika
and Shaman
from Dunhinda Waterfall.